What is up, guys? So y'all can judge me for this one, but I think I figured out why the 240 wouldn't start. I knew it was low on fuel, but so obviously we've got it hooked up here because the battery died last time we were trying to start it. But what I noticed was, and I thought I had just like a little sliver of gas left, because look, it's just slightly above the E, if you can see that. Okay, but then when I turn the key on, it don't move. And then I noticed there's that little pin that it rests on, and it's touching it. I couldn't see that pin at first. Okay, but it is touching it. So I think we're just out of gas, because every time I try and start it after it primes, it really wants to. So I know it takes 93, but I've got some 87 or whatever, I don't know, just some gas, I don't know, random gas. Ooh, it's cold. Okay, so there wasn't much left. Instead of using the 87 or whatever, I'm just gonna fill this tank, and then we'll head to the gas station and get some good fresh 93 in there to overflow. But I also gotta take a leak. And that's all of it. So yeah, see you guys at the gas station. Say what?
I said, you got them tires tucked underneath the back end of that motherfucker.
Thank you. I think. Alrighty, so we're back. Got the gas. Oh, I chose the right side. It's hard to fucking guess right all the time, as you can tell. The cat ball. Depressurize, that's a good sign. That's a good sign. So this is fun. Sitting here with a gas can. It's doing pretty well. Alrighty. Oh, my back. So now I hook the battery back up. Try again. Okay, so I think that might be an issue. Might be our issue. Also might mean that the a couple of fuses is blown. Fuse or two has blown. And I believe that's why it will not start. I think when it's shaking, it's losing that ground. Okay, let's try that. I swear, now it fell off of the other side. I just want my car to start. Okay. Now we try starting fluid. I guess that's why you're not supposed to leave them outside. It's all melted and now there's nothing in it. I don't know if I have anything else. Yo, I have never seen this. I've never once in my life seen just jump in a car and melt jumper cables on both sides. That doesn't make any sense to me. How can that happen? I don't know, but I'm about to find out. What is up, you guys? So, after trying to start the 240 yesterday, I think it's got a fuel issue. And so with the ground having popped off, I'm thinking maybe it messed up the fuel relay. Fuel pump relay, so I'm gonna go pop that off, run to the parts store, grab one, and I'm just popping one off to compare it because they said they have one in stock, and I'd like to make sure because it's got a swap, and it's been swapped so many times, who knows what fuse box is in it. So anyways, we are going to do that. Zach's gonna meet us there. It's, I think, first time driving since the surgery. Anywho, we'll be there in a minute. I've got a low tire, like crazy low, so I'm gonna have to jump the marquee and wait to drive this until I can get the free air from work, so I'm not paying for air, and hopefully it doesn't get any worse. I should have just bought that compressor. I should have just pulled the trigger on that compressor when I was at Harbor Freight, but these videos don't make me any money, so it's really hard to spend money on stuff that's gonna make the videos better, keep me fucking working on stuff in my house and not doing all this driving around. Oh man. So anyways, it's nice out, except it's only 33 degrees out, so it's kind of deceivingly, ouch, I said ouch for my car. Okay, so what's up? We're back. We did not get the new relay, but I did get a ground, so maybe that is the issue. We'll see. I was all oriented now. I was just barely loose. I mean, straight up is fine. Oh, straight up is fine. Yep, with that 10 mil. And just like that, we have a solid ground again. So, I'll go get the jumper cables, we'll see how it goes. Probably not expecting much, but oh geez. Moment of truth. Moment of truth. I bumped over for a little bit there. Okay, I'm gonna try one more time. I'm gonna let it charge up a little bit. I'm gonna let it try one more time. I'm gonna prime it twice. I'm gonna bump it over and I'm hoping it starts. If not, maybe I'll try checking the spark plugs. That was too promising not to try again. Okay. There we go. Oops. Okay. Well, that might be it. This wire literally, the solder broke. Let's try, let's try touching that real quick. Alrighty. Oh my goodness, that shouldn't have slammed. Okay. Alright. Guessing that came off again, 'cause it ran better than it ever has after we fucked with it. Not ever has, better than it has while I've been trying to start it. tight, really. Okay. Let's try that. Fuck yeah! I have no idea why that was so hard. No idea. Because it's running now. And if we go check, that's disconnected, it's still running. So, I have no idea what happened. So yeah, well, it's running. No idea. Got the ground fixed. I'm gonna let it charge up and then shut her down. Got a bit of smoking going on. It's coming from the exhaust, I believe. Yeah? No? Okay, it seemed to stop. I think maybe something got spilled on there and on the exhaust, and it was just burning it off. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna let it warm up. Basically, warm up, charge the battery up a little bit. I'm gonna shut it off. We'll get back at it another day. So what's up? What is up? So we're gonna hope that the car starts up this time, first try, and then go up to a pop-up car meet. Hey, that was, I mean, once the battery got the charge, it was first try. What is up, y'all? So, we got it going, let it warm up. About to hit the gas station, fill her up, and then head to this car meet. So, see you guys there. Well, I wish I got that on camera. Not a crack done though. Come on now. How does that happen? Okay, back she goes. didn't make that crack so much worse. It could have been so much worse. Damn it, dude. That is a super big bummer. Fuck. Yeah, I'm pretty bummed out about that one. That straight folded that shit up. Damn it. Sick. So we're taking the Rabbit. What up, y'all? So far so good. Got the original turnout. Just gonna hang out up here for a little bit. See his blast pipe, see his new tip. I don't know if you can see it in this camera, but it's wildin'. But yeah, show you guys any cool cars or anything that goes on up here.
Died on me. I was cool.
A lot of horsepower.
I was cool with you being a GM guy, but now you got a Mopar.
It's not mine. It's my friend's. Those are the keys to the G8 right there. That's faster than my car by a
Pretty
mile.
slick. What up,
An
dude?
actual SRT?
Yes, it is.
No way.
I'll pop the hood and show you.
Sounds good.
This is my first
Hey,
SRT.
scat packs, man, overrated.
This is my
Scat
first
packs
SRT
suck. You can
I've
actually
ever
put
seen.
boost on these. Look at that.
Damn.
It's a big boy.
Hell yeah.
I thought all
I drove by John's house. I was like, "You want to come?" He's like, "I'm in Indiana," and I'm like, "Well, that sucks because I'm gonna go steal the keys to your car." He's like, "They're in my bedroom." I was like, "You being serious?"
Take my shit out of the water, and I'm not a no car guy.
Cannot tell me if I loaded it.
No, two, just to make sure.
Yeah. Yeah, I know.
Dude, I paid 11 for mine now. I had 60,000 miles.
Well, film the cop now.
What's up, guys?
What's going on?
See you again.
Nice to see you guys. Unfortunately, people are complaining again, okay?
Yeah.
So they're saying you guys are driving around recklessly doing burnouts and stuff. I don't see any burnouts.
Yeah, we haven't done
I was
one.
gonna say those are old.
Yeah, we haven't done
Well, I
one
know
today.
last time we came, I saw some. Who knows if it was from last time, but... And again, I'm going to say, I'm glad you guys aren't on the roads doing dumb stuff, because that'd be a pretty hefty sight. And no one wants to do that. No one wants you guys to go to court. And I know you said last time there were some other guys that were being crazy and they left before I came last time.
Right, yeah.
So maybe chat with them, let them know that we don't want to get them in trouble, but if they do something to get themselves in trouble, we have to do our part too.
Luckily, they didn't get the invite back this time.
Yeah,
but
well, cool.
still, I mean, everyone has their own opinions on what we do. And
Yeah.
So
Right.
appreciate you being respectful and all that.
Yep. And then I think last time someone called because you guys were out after dark, but then once we got here, you're already gone. So just try and keep that in mind too. Once the sun goes down.
Oh, for sure. Dusk.
Try and get out for that city ordinance too. All right.
Absolutely.
All good, guys.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Have a good one. Stay safe, guys.
Appreciate you.
Really?
I'm not even revving. I'm just driving.
Shut up.
You gotta think that
You should have heard you leaving.
Well, yeah,
Oh, dude, yeah. You leaving was bad.
I know.
Okay. So this might be weird, but this
Yeah,
is my old Facebook.
With Andrew?
I believe.
Yeah, that's Andrew.
I
Yeah.
thought so. I was like, no way.
Audi sounds like
They're gonna pull in here and get quiet real quick.
Watch.
Okay.
Yeah,
Hey, that's not us.
That's not us.
That ain't us.
That's Austin.
Please don't pull in here.
It's Austin and Cody. They're pulling in here.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hey, Cappy, run and tell him to turn his lights on when they pull in here. And just film it.
Oh,
That's an ST.
an ST?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I thought that was
One's an ST and
V3.
one's an
It was a hatch.
Integra.
I told you it was a hatchback.
One's an ST, one's an Integra.
What are they doing?
They're
Over
in
here.
Yeah, they went to Miami
Well,
Market,
that's where you
huh?
put the location at.
Yeah.
No, behind Miami Market. People don't
If
read
you
the
look
post
at
all
it,
the
it's
way.
behind.
Yeah.
The only reason I know is because you told me.
I just know this problem.
You just need to post a picture of Miami Market with an arrow. Don't type anything else.
I post it in the comments every time.
It'd be directly behind Miami Market. People, you realize people in our group don't know how to read.
Hey man,
It's a
make-
picture.
Don't make fun of me like that.
It's a picture.
You even have a picture.
Yeah.
You want this kid?
I look at shit
No, it's
cross-eyed.
a-
Hey, next time,
That'd make
get
you
a
cross-eyed.
satellite
That'd make you read
photo.
better.
Wait, you had a satellite photo. Oh my god, if you were that retarded.
As they start.
Are they coming back here?
No, they're going
No.
that way.
There goes the Integra and there goes the Focus.
Yeah, maybe they thought it was there.
Good
They're like,
riddance.
oh, nobody's here. Let's just leave.
Oh yeah, everybody left already.
Good thing, because I already yelled at the
Winnie?
top that I don't know them.
I don't know.
I'm like, they ain't with us.
Yeah.
Never heard of her.
You ain't got for sure.
The only V8 I got is a.
And we don't know them.
It's funny. He's like, I'm gonna go that way.
I thought he said he saw that.
No, he wants to. So I'll try and cut it in. I don't know if it'll make it, how much footage of it was actually caught, but they came in pumping their gas, two-stepping and pooting. We got the cops sitting here. We're trying to convince him that we're cool. I'm shivering a little bit. It's cold. Okay, whatever. Dude.
Fuck you.
She just comes. She's like a cop.
Hey, as far as Cody goes on this channel, last time we saw him, he had an ST. And now we're seeing him again in a new
Harbor
ST.
It's not new, same one.
Same one?
Just
Oh, I didn't know.
upgrade.
Okay, hell yeah.
No, Cappy, look at this fucking
You see what I brought?
Huh?
Dude, you look
This is 90 teeth. This is a nice ass fucking ratchet.
Smoking.
Bro, is that a Supra? Gotta say it for the video. Hell yeah. So it's been running good since you got it back? Or back out?
It's finally fixed now.
Like officially?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that an Evo?
Yeah, yeah.
Really Evo?
Yeah, Evo 10, yeah.
Oh,
A
yeah.
real Evo.
Whose is it?
Ryan. Alrighty, so there you have it. That's this week's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you didn't, I'm sorry. Like, comment, and subscribe down below or above, wherever you are on your device or computer. I don't know, TV. Click the subscribe button. It helps a lot. We had a great time, had a great week. I'll see you guys next week. Peace out, be safe. Fucking mooned him, bro. He's like, fuck, he's like, you know what?